Okay, I'm going to do a quick video short on operation of this grow bed. Basically, the grow bed has an input, which is powered by something called a geyser pump. It's an air-powered system that blows air into a large tube. And when that large tube fills up, it pushes water through the small tube. And then this fills up. And then over here, we have what's called a bell siphon. And what it does is it drains, it creates a siphon so that when this bed is completely full, like this one is filling up all the way, it starts draining and it drains the grow bed. And you can see that that one is draining right now. All the other ones are not draining. That one is getting ready to start draining. And they basically just go through and flood and drain. Please like, subscribe, have a great day.